Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules. We'll cover simple methods for incorporating this versatile nutrient into your beauty routine. Vitamin E is known for its powerful antioxidant benefits, helping to protect your skin and hair. We will explore both topical application techniques and important considerations for internal use, ensuring you get the most from these small but mighty capsules. For radiant skin, simply puncture one vitamin E capsule with a clean pin and squeeze out the rich oil. Apply a small, pea-sized amount directly onto your clean face or any dry areas of your body. Gently massage it into your skin using upward, circular motions until it is fully absorbed. This can be a wonderful addition to your nightly skincare routine, offering deep hydration and antioxidant support. Vitamin E can also work wonders for your hair and nails. Try mixing a few drops of the oil into your favorite shampoo or conditioner for an extra boost of nourishment. For a healthy scalp, massage a small amount directly onto your scalp before washing. You can also rub a tiny drop into your cuticles daily to promote stronger, healthier nails. Let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing for best results. While topical application is popular, vitamin E capsules can also be taken orally. However, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional before ingesting them to ensure it is right for you. Always adhere strictly to the dosage instructions provided on the product label. Remember to store your capsules in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If you experience any irritation or adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.